Hey sneaker fan, welcome back to HighFoot review. Today we are unboxing and review the Nike SB Dunk Low Big Money Saving. Stay with us, we check out all the detail of the sneaker. You must purchase this trainer at obosneaker.com if you wish to purchase them. Also, I'm telling you, obosneaker.com a great website for high quality replica sneaker. If you are looking to purchase some popular brand sneaker like Nike, Off-White, Gucci, and Air Jordans, and the best part is many discount code are waiting for you. The website link in my description box. Go and check it out now. Let's start the unboxing with some good music.